Hi, this is Laika Factory 20 feet inflatable outdoor movie projector screen. Blow projector screen projection screen for outdoor backyard. Includes big power fan, base stakes, tie downs and storage bag. Easy setup. The mega inflatable movie screen is easy and convenient to set up in 2 minutes or less. Included is the air blower, rope, tent, and inflatable stake. Screen and frame. This amazing new detachable screen and inflation fan work great together. The white display canvas can be removed for easy cleaning and safe storage. Please turn on the fan and always connect the screen when using it for viewing. Attractive design. This mega outdoor movie screen kit includes an inflatable frame, detachable screen, blower, ground stakes, tie-down strings connected to screen frame. The tie-downs give stability to the screen to ensure a safe and fun movie. Easy to carry. Do you want to have a private theater that can be moved? This mega deluxe inflatable cinema screen is easy to take from location to location. Great for camping adventures, picnics, and outdoor birthday and wedding parties.